Neighbor. My call. Yeah. Focus. I can't even feel myself. Hello, neighbor.
Hello.
Super neighbor.
But is there any issue?
Oh yes. I have my bones, my spinal cord. It relocate. So I want you to come and help me massage it.
At my work now, I'm coming.
Alright, please very rough. I can
No problem.
finally someone is coming to my rescue. Who is there?
Hey, but it's me.
Oh, come in, neighbor, come in.
Okay. Neighbor.
Neighbor,
How are you now?
I'm just there. I can't even talk. My God.
Is it that hatch?
Yes.
Do you have any oil in the house?
No, not at all. That
Just remove it.
okay.
Let me see what I can do. So I will touch you. Tell me where it's paining you. It's is it paining you? Is it paining you? Sorry. Maybe it's the way you slept yesterday night. Sorry, yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry. Hope it's not paining you like that again. Yeah, okay. No problem. Are you okay now?
Yeah.
We'll leave it for some time. Maybe if you have that pain again, you just call me.
Alright, I will.
I will do something. So let me just watch and finish it.
Okay. Just hold on, hold on.
Okay. Sorry.
Uh,
You're coming too close. I'm already massaged your back. I didn't know that.
yes, I want you to do some other things for me.
Like what?
You can feel the atmosphere because the weather is so cold.
No, but are you okay?
Yes, I'm
You
okay.
said I should come and fix your bag for you.
I wish you've done it.
Okay, I want to go. I think pause on
See,
fire.
and, I can do anything for you. Anything you want.
Hmm.
And shopping, vacation, anything. Any one of your choice.
Okay, shopping.
Brand new car, a brand new house, anyone. A new shop, new apartment, like anything you want.
Neighbor.
Just name it.
It's not like that.
It's like what?
So you want to give me all this thing. So what should I use to pay you? Because me, no, me have before my between.
See, the only thing you have to do is just to love me back.
I should just love you back.
That's it.
I should just love you back. I will love you now. I hear
Really?
house, I hear vacation, I hear car, I will not love you.
Really?
Who will like that love? I will love you.
That's why I like you.
Thank you,
All
but
right, come.
no
That's why I
problem.
like you. Okay, let's go down here.
Never.
Neighbor, my sweet neighbor.